Hello and welcome to my build of the Matchbox Lesney 11B ERF petrol tanker, and it's the SO company it has the logo for on the rear. Anyway, this is the sort of point we're starting with. A battered, beat up and player one. Example, missing a wheel and paint loss and no transfer on the rear end. It's only a quickish build, this one, because to be honest there's not a great deal to show on the casting. There is no splitting the rear off, there's no doing an interior. It's just plain simple and easy restoration. Nice little things if you've got a couple of hours spare. Here I'm taking the wheels off. I actually tried squeezing me cutters, and I don't have the strength in my hands to do that now. And I don't have feeling either, so if I do have the strength, I worry about actually breaking the handles and not feeling it. And the alternative I've come up with is to grip the axle at the end and bend it backwards and forwards till it breaks through metal fatigue. I thought after though this probably isn't the best way, because they're only fragile axles on these. Luckily I got away with it on the mountains, but they are very fragile. I could have easily broken one, so I wouldn't advise this method. I'd advise to cut them out with either a jeweler's saw or cut them with a Dremel cutting disc or whatever. Just don't do methods I do. I got away with it this time, but I probably wouldn't next time. And others probably wouldn't. I wouldn't like to be responsible for breaking others' models through following my advice. Here we are, taking another one off. As I say, I just gripped it with the pliers and wiggled it till metal fatigue snapped it. It works, but as I say, that's not the way I'd recommend to do it, because we are in sight after I'd done it. I thought, Jesus, the actual axle on the casting is really weak area. Could have snapped, but anyway, I got away with it. And there we are, there's all the wheels off. So we just left with a casting. There's some wheels for another project in there with it, which I'll be posting at a later date, not too far off. And here we are in the caustic bath of doom, and fizzing away nicely. Chucked a bit more in there. Very sort of lively thing, this. Looks like Vimto at the moment. Won't bloody drink it. Anyway, almost finished the plink plink fizz. And here we go on to the wire wheel of doom. And we're just polishing the... there wasn't so much oxidisation on this one, it was more through the caustic, the metal had gone dark, so it was just a quick scuff over really. And there we are, he's just getting a quick flick of primer. What I did, I put one of the old axles through and held it with a vice grip, so he had somewhere to hold on to it, which works fairly good there. Also gives you a chance to spray around as well underneath. And here I'm doing the silver detailing parts. It had the tanks on each side done silver, and the grille and the headlamps. And what you do here, rather than trying to paint, you paint from the inside out and you use the edge of the brush, rather than trying to paint it like a pencil. You just slide the edge of the brush along it. That didn't go perfect, but I touched it up later and it was hunky-dory. Here the decal's gone on, as you saw it flash by there, so I'm giving it a quick coat of clear. And looking good. And here what I'm doing, I've got my pliers in a vise, and the actual end of the axle is in a flat area of the pliers where it's flat, and I'm tightening the vise so it squeezes it and crimps the metal. Anyway, just a reminder of where we started, and if you've enjoyed this very short video, I normally do longer, and it'd be great if you subscribed, because I see I get lots and lots. I get over 10 times view than are actually subscribed. So if some of you that are watching would subscribe, that'd be fantastic. And thanks to all my subscribers I have already. It's really great making these videos so others can see and appreciate. And anyway, here's the finished result. Looking glorious in its new paint. New decal. Looks as it would have rolled out of the box into a kid's hands back in, oh, I'd say the 50s, when this one was out in the shops. It looks a 50s design anyway. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and as I've said, please subscribe. Thanks to all my subscribers, and a big take care out there, and watch out for that dreaded lurky. Get your vaccinations in and get out and about again. Bye for now, and see you in my next vid. Tatty bye.